This Bitcoin dump is going to get bought up. I am telling you. First of all, I know that yesterday was a crazy liquidation event. A black swan, if you want to say. Happily, it wasn't massive on the whole market. It was rather like a Bitcoin liquidation event. I'm going to talk about it in a second. But what I see on the market as well is that this might be, again, might be the last dip. We might see 32,500 as we've been calling for a while now. I did not see it coming now, but now that we're down here, taking max pain, taking liquidations, you know, liquidating a lot of people. And now that we see Bitcoin slowly grinding up to a level that can be the catalyst and the confirmation for us to go to 41K. Now, there is still a possibility for a dump. So I'm gonna look in this show to all the scenarios there are. Let's get into the show. Guys, if you're new to the channel, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. And before I get started, none of this is financial advice. So anything we do here is for entertainment purposes only. Let's go. What's up, guys? Good morning, Nature Bunny. Good morning, Drew. Good morning, 𝗥𝗲𝗹𝗁𝗫𝗀. Good morning, sunny, very warm morning in Spain. Awesome. Good morning, Fred. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, guys. All right, let's get into it. Let me put this up here. Bam. So, what did we see yesterday? First of all, I want to tell you that very experienced traders, I know and I admire, were massive fucking long. So were we. And the cards don't add up. Something is not right here. And the reason I'm saying something is not right here, I do not think the ETF is going to get approved by the 17th. But looking at this, you can never know. So if I look at the chart, here's what I see. What I see is that we have massive liquidity on top, right? Massive buy-side liquidity. Then it grinds slowly down to our point of interest. Slowly grinds down, meaning it builds liquidity as it comes down. If you go down on a 15-minute, or if you go down on a 5-minute, we see a market structure shift. A clear market structure shift. Yes, it's a weak one, but who cares? It's a massive market structure shift. We expect price to come back down to the point of interest and bounce. What do we see? A bounce. We do see a bounce. We do see a market structure shift from the bounce. We get our confirmation. We get in on a long position and we get screwed. Now, why does this happen? The only reason why, or the only thing that I can see, especially seeing some of the traders again, like I know professional traders getting smashed, not the, professional traders getting smashed, is because this is manipulated. Massively manipulated. And the question might be, why is it manipulated, right? Because if you look at what the whole situation with the whether the ETF is coming or it's not coming, or it's coming until the 17th, or it's coming in January, it's coming in March, it's coming when, nobody really knows. But what I can say is that this thing trapped smart money. It also trapped some retail, but this thing trapped smart money, and that's huge. The reason why this is huge is because there are big ass players playing games that we do not understand. And who would want to play games that we do not understand? The only explanation for me is someone with big power who understands that an ETF is coming, for example, or that some major event that will push the market higher is coming or is on the horizon. So looking at all this, I would expect the ETF, I do not expect the ETF to be approved, but looking at this, I would absolutely not be surprised if it gets approved on the 17th or by the 17th, which is like 2 days from now. So there is a deadline for the new applications there, and if they approve everything. So the theory here is that it might get approved within the next 2 days. I would absolutely not be surprised. Here are the scenarios that I'm looking at right now. First of all, the title of this show as well is that this Bitcoin dip will get bought up, and it will get bought up. It will get bought up, and it is already, like when I made the title, we were down here, and it is getting bought up already. But there are two main scenarios. Let's say 3 main scenarios that I'm looking at today, and for the coming days. Like as a Bitcoin price prediction for the algorithm to like kick in. So, number 1 is, this was a liquidation event. We decently came down into this 1 hour point of interest. We did break a strong low, and that's a problem. This is what I'm going to explain to you why we might be looking for shorts. But like this low broke here, liquidation event, stop loss is being triggered all the way down here. but then we see a little bit of bounce. We do leave liquidity behind, and that tells me that the bounce is not strong enough. But again, we have to think probabilities, and we have to think manipulation, and we have to think ETF news, and we have to think all that. So if I would chart this pure TA, this is a short, no questions. But if I consider everything, and I consider the accumulation, I consider that this is the manipulation, and that the distribution should happen, I am looking at the following. We do see a little bit of push here. So along down here, or along, oh, by the way, join our community, guys. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you want to take, you want to be around nice people. Yesterday we had 3 times, calls during the day. We have something called the Trader Zone. We just jump in there, we share trades, we share setups, we share ideas, we reflect on each other, we keep each other accountable. This is why it's worth joining, among a lot of other things. But people are making money in the community. We are making money in the community. And not only that, but we are learning why we're doing this. We're not goldfish just running and following something, but we're actually learning. People are asking in the community. We're helping the community on the morning calls every single day. So it's worth joining, guys. Link in the description. Join there. If you sign up with my link, it's free until the end of December. If you sign up with my link, you can get a chance to win an iPhone. So it's worth doing that. But looking at this, what we've been talking in the community as well, is that we've got 3 main options. Number 1 is that we're grinding up slowly. We can see a massive pump from here because of the liquidity. We can see a massive pump, might be 37,500 or even 41, or if the ETF gets approved, even 48 or above. We're gonna see that. But for now, I'm a little bit slightly bearish just because of the TA. But if I consider the full fundamental picture, I am slightly bullish. So again, trading is a game of probabilities. So the probabilities are that we are going to push to either of these levels, 36,100, 36,400, 500-ish. We're going to see a strong market structure shift, like a rejection. And when that happens, we have to get, I would personally get in a long, short position because I'm exposed on spot and I do want to hedge. So I know I said I eliminated the short button, and I do, but this is for hedging. So if we get to this level, if we do get to this 36,100 and 36,400-ish region, and we do see a lower time frame rejection, I am going to take a short position to hedge my spot long. The reason why I'm not selling my spot is because anything can happen in these markets. If you do eliminate the short button, or if you do push the short button on your spot bag, you sell your spot bag, you're risking to miss the biggest bull market that we've ever seen, and probably the last one. So number 1 scenario, we see a little bit of push, 36,100, 36,400, then a rejection all the way down to 32,500 that we've been expecting, which is the daily equilibrium. So the daily equilibrium, the 50% is down here, 32,500-ish region. We can see a push now, a little bit of retracement to this level, or even taking liquidity from here and a retracement to the 37,500 or 600-ish region, and then a rejection. So either of these levels will be, if we see a rejection there, will be a very strong catalyst for me to go short. Second scenario that I would like to believe is happening and unfolding in front of our eyes. By the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the like button. We do this every day. Come to the community, all that stuff, right? There is all the links in the description. You can subscribe here and do all that because it's fun. I'm dropping a risk management video today. Who needs a risk management video? Let me know in the chat. If I might drop it today or tomorrow. It's almost ready. If I get like 5 comments that people need a risk management video, I might drop it today. I might drop it in the next 30 minutes. So let me know in the chat. Good morning, everybody. By the way, good morning. Okay. So let me know in the chat if I should drop the video now, today. So looking at this is scenario 1. Number 2, we just fucking rip. And when I say rip, we get some kind of, ETF is here and whatnot, and we do this. Something like this. Easily can happen. The reason why I'm also, so this is scenario 2. Scenario 3 is still push, but it's a push down here to like 32, come back to PD, and then push. So I'm overall definitely bullish. I think the bull is here. I think we are going to see 48,000 very, very soon. Probably the catalyst for that, will be the ETF. But even then, if the ETF does not come, I don't think we're gonna see lower than 30K this year, or maybe ever. We'll have to see. If what is concerning me, or what is interesting here, is that, by the way, guys, I'm gonna keep these shows shorter. So we're gonna have 30 minutes, 25, 30 minutes, depending on what is in here. And maybe as we have the morning calls, I see people, yes, please, today, yes, drop it like I said. Okay, so these, because we have more, we will have, it is right now 45 minutes, but we do have the morning calls in the community. And the reason why I don't want to do this again is because if you want this alpha, you have to join the community. It's free until December. And then after December, we'll see what we do, because then we'll see what it is. Is high time needed. Yeah. Yeah, so you know what I mean. So if you want this alpha, you have to come to the community. If you want to check out the announcements and whatnot and predictions and all that, then this might be the place. I'm thinking about doing a show where I'm just gonna go through the coins on spot, what you can expect from the week and whatnot. That might come, but we're probably gonna cut down on these 1 hour shows, and we are going to go a shorter, and we are going to I'm gonna go into pre-production on videos. So that's just something I wanted to share with you. So that's scenario one. So either we can even reverse here. I'm waiting for this, but it's already building liquidity, so it's not going to reverse from here, most probably. We'll see, but it has to come down below this 35,762. So I see people in the from the community are watching here as well. This would be our confirmation for short, as we discussed this morning. So what is very interesting in this? First of all, we don't really know where the dump came from. When a dump happens like this, you already know, oh, Binance sold, this sold, it happened on Binance, it happened on KuCoin, it happened on that, but you don't really know where it's coming from. I read today that it might be coming from 𝗥𝗲𝗀, but nothing specific. Question was in the community today whether it's from a DEX. We would see the wallet addresses. People would have already saw, who sold it. So that's weird. That's number one. Second, if you consider the fact that Bitcoin had a 5-6% drop, and all the major altcoins are literally recovered from all that. So they had the same dumps, maybe a little more. If Bitcoin dumps 5%, alts usually dump 10, 15, right? We do not see that now. We saw a quick dump, but these coins basically recovered. If you look at the top alts, most of them have recovered from the dump. Look at this, OP. Dump, recovered. It's even higher than yesterday. AVAX, look at AVAX, running. Sol, look at Sol. Like, these coins have recovered or have over-exceeded the price levels that they were at. I mean, that's a very strong indication for me that this is a targeted Bitcoin dump. Why would it be a targeted Bitcoin dump? Because an ETF is getting approved. That's my way of thinking. That's the only way I see this working out. And I might be wrong. This is a very uncharted territory for everybody here. But it is definitely something that I'm looking at. So today we are expecting price to take Asia low and then reverse, so we will take lower time frame confirmation on these levels, or maybe take aggressive. Now London manipulated to the upside, which we've discussed in the community could happen. Hopefully it does create liquidity as it comes down, and then we can get in on the long 35,200-ish region. We will need to take lower time frame confirmations. We will keep you posted in the community. Let's look at the total market cap as well. Total market cap coming back to the POI, nothing special. Nothing special. Same thing. So it's just so weird for me that when the total market cap dumps 6%, we see like a bleed, like a massive bleed, and we did not really see that. So we didn't see that, but it recovered. So what I'm looking at is that we just come back to the POI, we just come back and we're starting to retrace. Nothing major happening. Look at total 2 recovering, total 3 recovering. So everything should be fine. This dump will be bought up. This dump will or is bought up. Now let's talk a little bit about Bitcoin dominance, because a lot of people are like, oh yeah, Bitcoin dominance is sweep, like there is a shift and then now alts, and maybe because we do see alts going. But again, I'm still cautious. There's no reason for alts to do this before an ETF announcement. It's just so weird. So now people are moving into alts, you see? Like everybody, oh, Link is rocketing, let's go. AVAX is rocketing, Sol is rocketing, let's sell our Bitcoin. This also puts a little bit of selling pressure on Bitcoin, and obviously sends dominance as well lower. So, but I just want to remind you, if you look at this, it is building up liquidity. This is called the trend line liquidity that you see here, and it is building up liquidity, meaning it will smash through hard. So if you look here, what was the last time when this happened? Well, first here, look at this. We saw the same thing. Retail said what? Oh, major level broken, we are going down on dominance. What happened? Within 4 days, we had an 8% pump, exceeding everything that we saw. Same thing is here, and this is also just an additional spice on the fact that I think the ETF is just around the corner, even though everything says that it should not be approved. I do think dominance rocketing from here, maybe here or down here. My target is still 56%. And if I consider the same roller that we had here, liquidity building up, and then a decent, come on, 10-11% dump pump. If I consider that from here, 11% up at the 56, 57, 58 region that I was expecting. So definitely in the cards. Definitely in the cards. Altcoins, I do see altcoins going with Bitcoin when we see the approval, or when we see the big news go, big catalyst for the pump. But obviously Bitcoin to alts, Bitcoin will outperform altcoins big time. Just looking at this, the liquidity, I think it has to come down. 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 Yes. Guys, this is what I've been looking at. This is my thoughts on the market. First of all, do not get discouraged, right? If you got burned yesterday, if you got burned within your risk tolerance, good on you. If you got burned and your risk tolerance wasn't good, come to the community. if you feel stupid because you didn't see this dump coming, do not feel stupid, or feel stupid with me and other very professional traders as well. It happens. We did not see it coming. Nobody really knows what happened. This is a very crazy uncharted territory. We do see the ETF around the corner. We do see big players playing ball and whatnot. And this is something to consider. Hey, Fefe, I sent you an email for a partnership. 𝗥𝗲𝗹, I appreciate it. I'll definitely check it out. And you guys, if you want to send an email, what you should do is to scan this, or just come to my link tree in the description below and join. There are tons of cool stuff there. I want to show you the community. If you want to tune out because you just came for the alpha, feel free. 𝗥𝗲𝗹, yes, 𝗥𝗲𝗹 legend. 𝗥𝗲𝗹, why do I, it's so interesting. I feel this name. Guys, I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to tell, maybe from the 400k challenge, maybe. Why not Twitch? All day open channel. In order we see when you trade. Prepared trader or simply waiting. I don't understand the question. All day open. So like you mean like in order we see when you trade, prepared trades or simple trade. But that's basically what we do in the community. This is exactly what we do in the community. You know, so yeah, that's what we see in the community. This is exactly what we do. We do take trades. We guide you through, and this is what I wanted to show you. Let me show you this. So this is the community, right? So the cool stuff about this, the reason why I'm also pumping these guys, this is the best community in the world. I'm telling you, I've been in different communities. I feel the difference. Even the fact that we have 150, 160 people here after the first week, and we have about 70 people in premium, which is free until the end of the year if you use our links. This is the best community ever out there. I'm telling you. So we jump in the trade zone here. You know what? Let's do a test. I'm live now, so I don't know who's watching, who not, but I'm just gonna jump into the trade zone. I'm gonna tag everybody that for a test I'm gonna jump in here. I will see how many people jumps in here. I'll tag them. And I'll jump in here. This is a live test. It's not discussed. I have no idea. I have no idea what's gonna happen here. Oh, you don't see it from me. Hold on. Because, hey guys, I'm just live on YouTube and I thought I'm gonna jump in here. We see how many people jump in here. What is happening, guys? So see, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 9 people. 9 people in here. Within what? Within 15 seconds? Awesome. Guys, I just wanted to pop in here and let you know that I'm live on YouTube. And can you post... you can also... You know what? We can also do live here. Like, you literally just joined my live stream. You can say something. I don't know if it's audible in the stream. What's up? You just unmute yourself, Mac, if you can. Watching YouTube live. So cool. You see? So guys, this is what I'm talking about. Like, it's just, if you're not in this community, I don't even know what the fuck you're doing. Honestly. Like, I don't know. And I just want to say, hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's happening? You're on the live stream. I'm live on YouTube. Why should people join the community? Why? Exactly. Guys, this is not, I promise you, this is not even staged. It's just, I literally just jumped in here and people are joining. For anybody who's joining now, I'm on, oh, we're on the stream. Okay, cool. That's probably what people, that's why people don't unmute there in the stream. Okay, I just wanted to jump in here and just, you know, show everybody how awesome you guys are and how much I appreciate each and every one of you. It's pretty crazy. I think, you know, I think that we are building something incredible here. And the fact that we are building that, I think it's, oh, Nitro Bunny says they can't hear you guys. Oh, because Discord doesn't allow the sharing. Oh, that's a pity. That's a pity. Okay, yeah, guys, I'm gonna jump back. See you after the live. So yeah, somebody saying, Nitro Bunny saying they can't hear you. So basically, what they, you know, they were just saying why it's the best community and why you should join. People say what is the link? You can join the link in the description. There's a link in the description and in the pinned comments. You can go on my link tree. I'll actually show you that. In a second. You can go into my link tree. So you go to my Twitter or you just go to the description down there, right? And you click on the link tree in the description and it will take you here. And then I actually created this very tiny, awesome document where you see how to join the community. So, you know, there's the steps. You have to sign up with one of my exchange links so you can find them here. And the community is going to be free until the end of December. And honestly, what I see right now is that if you join now for free, you can easily make the fee of the community going forward. So like for this 1.5 months, I would definitely use this. Just have to join here. It's very important. We are not like, you know, you have to sign up with my link and throw it out the window. So we actually monitor trading volume as well. It's not about how big trading volume you have, but it's around you not screwing me. We're just signing up with the link and throwing it away. So, you know, like we have people transferring actual funds there and taking all that trades there. So if you want to join the community, that's what you got to do. But this is something, this is a place to be. Like I am so proud of this. I'm so proud of what we're building. I'm so proud of Nest. I'm so proud of Rain. I'm so proud of Drew. I'm so proud of everybody else who's in here and changing lives every single day. And this is actually what we wanted for. This is all yesterday, by the way. Even though we got fucked big time on some of the trades, this is all yesterday. AVAX, ETH, Rune. Yeah, Rune was a big one yesterday. BTC Long. I think we did not close this one or just partially close these ones. So I mean, and we come in here and we help, and even yesterday, like, you know, the reason now I'm going full shield mode, but I don't even fucking care. I really think I was looking for a community like this forever, and I couldn't find it, and now we are creating it. This is why I'm so passionate about this, and we're even considering making it not fully paid, or I don't know what's gonna happen, but like, it's just such a great vibe. I really want everybody to stay in here and do this with us, and you know, like, so we have to see how it goes. I'm back here for a stream. We all are. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, cool stuff. So it's just great. And also, like, you know, we have these sections here. You have Nest posting, you have Rain posting, you have me posting. And yesterday I left a voice, which I apparently can't play because you won't hear it. But like, just, you know, if there's something, people come in here. When there was the dump, we jumped in here. There are no other communities where you really get this. We jumped in here. We're like, okay, what's happening? What is the news? We already came together and all that. Where do you get these calls? It's in the community. So you have the events tab here, and we post the events for every single day. From tomorrow, we will have Zoom. We didn't get the Zoom subscription because we thought Discord is going to be good, but we are going to get the Zoom subscription now, and this is going to send you an email every single day. So that's what's going to happen. You guys are helping me get set up for the bull run. Thank you for being here. Awesome, guys. So I think this is basically it. Expect Bitcoin. We might take this. We might smash through here and then we reverse from here, guys. I think I'm gonna jump into the trader zone on our Discord to discuss this, because if we do reject here, this is a strong MSS. This is a strong 5-minute MSS, meaning a short cooking. So if we do not reverse here, and it does not seem like it wants to reverse from here. It might, but like if we do not reverse from here, that's a strong MSS from the OB at 35,918, and we might be going down to 32. So 32.5. So I'm just gonna jump in there. Guys, thank you so much for participating in the stream. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate it. Please join us. Do yourself a favor. The only thing you gotta do is to sign up to fucking exchange. Don't be lazy. Come, change your life. Change your life today. Build connections for life and knowledge. We're not here to give you fish. We are here to teach you how to fish. See you in the community.